Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. So if you want to organize your projects, manage research, and collaborate efficiently, using Spaces in Perplexity AI gives you a structured workspace to keep everything in one place. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Spaces in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open Perplexity AI, so perplexity.ai, or open the mobile app, log into your account, and be ready to work. Okay, now access your Spaces. So go to Spaces section. Okay, open an existing space. Okay, or create a new one. Now understand the space layout. So inside a space you will find threads, conversations, files, PDFs or images, or notes, which is content. Okay, so everything is grouped. Now start a new thread inside a space. So click new thread. Ask questions or start research, like it will be saved inside the space. So add files to the space, upload PDFs, images, documents, use them in your queries, okay, all in one workspace. Organize your content, so keep things clean, like rename threads, group related topics, and remove unnecessary items. So stay structured, okay, and you can collaborate with others. So invite people, share your space, work together. Okay, use follow-ups inside the space, like continue conversations, build on previous answers, create deeper insights. Okay, so that's it, guys, for how to use Space in Perplexity AI. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.